What is NFT? Hi friends. Welcome to Crypto Basics. Today we are going to discuss what is NFT and how does it work? Earlier we had discussed crypto tokens and crypto coins. NFT is something similar to crypto tokens, but will be a non-fungible one. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Tokens. Non-fungible means non-exchangeable or non-replaceable or something unique. It is a token that can't be replaced with a similar type of token directly, as it is something unique in itself. Now, if you have a house, it can't be directly replaced with some other house, so it is non-fungible. Or if you have a BMW 5 Series gifted by your father, it can't be directly replaced with a Mercedes E-Class, it is also non-fungible. But, if you have a $100 note, it can be replaced with two $50 notes or $25 notes, so it is a fungible item. Hope the concept of fungible and non-fungible is clear. Now, let's come specifically to NFTs. Let's say someone creates artwork and mints it on a blockchain as NFT and puts it on sale with full rights. Now, whosoever buys this NFT, that person will be transferred ownership of that artwork. She can use it, sell it, now it is his or her property. NFTs can be music, artwork, videos, domain names, celebrity collectibles. Let's check the globally most used NFT website for categories that they have. The categories are art, collectibles, domain names, music, photography, sports, trading cards, utility, virtual worlds. Now, this virtual worlds is related to the metaverse, where you might be purchasing something in a game or some land in a metaverse, which can also be done from here. You must be thinking, what is the use of these NFTs and why we should purchase them? Just go back 20 to 25 years in time. Do you remember we used to collect WWF cards which had all details related to specific WWF stars? Now, those cards could have been duplicates. But if you buy and collect some NFT collectibles of your favorite celebrity, those will be definitely genuine, directly created by them. NFTs also have other uses. Well-known artists used to display their paintings for sale in exhibitions. Everyone used to come and see, but only the people who had an interest and wanted to buy used to acquire them. Now, these days all these things have come on NFT platforms, and you can even buy an original painting of your favorite artist sitting at your home and sell it at a higher price when you feel like. You even have an option to buy domain names through NFTs, and those will be transferred to your wallet and will be there for a lifetime without any annual renewal charges. Let's see how these NFTs look like. These are NFTs of artwork worth 1.2 Ethereum and 2 Ethereum. These are some collectibles of cartoons. These are domain NFTs. These are NFTs created by an official American football team. Now if we check the NFT website and go to the artwork section, people have added a whole range of artworks. Let's check some domain names. If you want to purchase some NFT domain names, I'll add the link to Unstoppable and Antares websites. Now, if you want to mint your own NFT, you can do that also. Press the Create button. Now, when you connect this website with your Ethereum wallet, and this will appear. Here you can add image, video, audio, or 3D model. Add the name of NFT. Add description and collection. If you want, you can also add its properties. Levels and stats are normally used by gaming NFTs. When all the inputs are entered, the Create option will appear. When you press create, NFT will be minted and some Ethereum will be deducted for minting. If you don't want to mint at your own cost and want a third party to help, then there is an organization Endorse My Brand. They help celebrities, influencers, and artists mint their NFTs. Their website is endorsemybrand.com. They mint NFTs for others and put them in their specific collection. So, as a whole, NFTs are digitalizing selling contracts of actual world things and making it easier to sell and purchase. Utility NFTs are even being used to sell and purchase real estate properties. The C-Wire was one of the first companies to put their 10% shares of the company for sale in the form of NFT in September 2021. In the coming future, it will be used for trading many real-world non-fungible items. In the next video, we will discuss Metaverse. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I'll be happy to answer. If you find this video beneficial, make sure to like and share this video. For similar videos and more updates, subscribe to our channel Crypto Basics. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for your time.